The Mineta Transportation Institute is a great program for people who want to move up in their field in transportation or who want to get more in-depth knowledge about the issues facing transportation agencies of all kinds, whether it's a public transit agency or a highway agency. I think it's a great program because it offers flexibility, so you can do it in addition to your regular job, and the facilities are located all across the state of California. The web conferencing facilities where you participate live with the other students. So wherever you are in California, there's a place that you could get to after work to participate in this program. So it gives you so much flexibility, and at the same time, it gives you so much knowledge and also connection to the other alumni doing the same program.